Hello students, today we will discuss an important test for distinguishing a pair of carbonyl compounds. If you are given two carbonyl compounds and you have to distinguish between them, we generally use this iodoform test or a haloform reaction. So first we will discuss what is this reaction. In this reaction generally we are taking a methyl ketone or a compound containing alpha methyl group. See, this is carbonyl group and there is a alpha methyl group present here. So in this we generally take this alpha methyl group and it is treated with a halogen and a base. Base may be NaOH or KOH. So what is the reaction here? This methyl group, alpha methyl group, it is converted to haloform and the remaining part form its sodium or potassium salt with the base NaO minus Na plus or K plus. If you are taking KOH, you will get 3 NaX along with it and 3 water molecules. So this is the overall reaction taking place here. Now in this reaction 3 moles of halogen and 4 moles of NaOH are used in this reaction. Clear? So moles of X2 is used is 3 mole, NaOH 4 moles. So what is the required condition here? You have to use a halogen, you have to use a base. Clear? Halogen कौन सा हो सकता है? It may be chlorine, it may be bromine or it may be iodine. Depending upon this, the product form may be CHBr3, CHCl3, CHI3. ठीक है. अगर ये बनता है, अगर if we are using bromine here, the test is known as bromoform test. If you are using Cl2 here, you will get a chloroform test. And if you are using I2 here, you will get the iodoform test. That's why the common name is haloform reaction. Halo is commonly used for halogens. So halogen can be Cl2, Br2 or I2. Clear? Now we do this test. Why? Because we get a yellow precipitate of iodoform here. तो उसे आइडेंटिफाई करना इजी होता है. इन दिस केस दीज आर कलरलेस लिक्विड्स. तो अगर रिएक्शन करा रहे हैं उसमें कोई भी विजिबल चेंज नहीं होगा. वी कुड नॉट बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट वेदर द रिएक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस और नॉट. बट इन दिस केस वी आर गेटिंग ए येलो प्रेसिपिटेट, सो वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई वेदर ए पर्टिकुलर रिएक्टेंट इज गिविंग दैट रिएक्शन और नॉट by the color of the iodoform. So generally we use the iodoform test. Now instead of X2 plus NaOH, you can also be given like this. NaOI may be given to you, or you may be given NaOH plus I2, or you can be given NaOH plus Br2 or KOH plus I2. Any of the reagent if it is given, then the haloform reaction is taking place. This is first thing. Second thing is what type of reagents will undergo the haloform reaction. So first is methyl ketones. This reaction is common for methyl ketones. Methyl ketone generally give this reaction. Methyl ketone मतलब जिसमें R ग्रुप है, कार्बोनिल ग्रुप है और उसके पास में एक मिथाइल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है. So all the compounds having this group, if this group is present in any ketone, it will give the iodoform test. Clear? Second thing is acetaldehyde will give this test. Acetaldehyde, why? Because it has also CH3 CHO. So it has also this functional group CH3CO group is present in acetaldehyde. It will give this test. Third is methyl alcohols will also give this test. Methyl alcohols आर CH3 और उसके पास में CHOH ग्रुप अगर प्रेजेंट है. So this, if this group is present in any compound, it will give the iodoform test. Methyl ketone example is suppose you are taking butane 2-ol. तो butane 2-ol क्या हो जाएगा? CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3. So in butane 2-ol you will get this group CH3 CHOH. So this group or this group must be present in the compound, and then the reactant or the substance will show the iodoform test. And last one is active methylene group. There must be active methyl. This is CH3, CO, CH2, CO, CH3. This is known as active methylene group. Why? Because there are two electron withdrawing carbonyl group present on either side. These two hydrogen are highly acidic, so they will also give the iodoform test. So four conditions or four types of reagent. You may have methyl ketone, you may have acetaldehyde, methyl alcohols. So either this functional group or this functional group is present here. And the another one is active methylene group. The compounds which contain active methylene group also undergo this reaction. Now we will discuss the mechanism of this reaction, because that is important to understand how the reaction is taking place. Now I am starting with acetaldehyde CH3CHO, because this compound contains a methyl alpha methyl group present here. Now first KOH, it will react with KOH. KOH contains OH minus ions, and this will act as a base and will remove hydrogen from here. So if we are writing the hydrogen like this lone pair will attack here, it will abstract this hydrogen ion, and this bond pair will shift here. You will get CH2 minus CHO. Clear? And water molecule will be removed here. In the second, now here you will take I2 molecule. Now when this negatively charged carbon ion will approach the I2 molecule, इसमें polarization होगा, it will develop partial positive, it will develop partial negative, and it will attack this iodine. तो ये bond pair लेके दूसरा I minus निकल जाएगा. So you will get CH2I CHO. क्लियर. अगेन देर आर टू हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट हियर. यहाँ पे OH माइनस का अटैक होगा, यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन निकलेगा, यू विल गेट CH माइनस CHO. ठीक है. ये OH यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है, बेस की तरह एक्ट कर रहा है, हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव कर रहा है. अगेन द रिएक्शन विद I2, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा I2 CH CHO. अगेन देर इज वन हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट हियर, OH माइनस का अटैक होगा, I3C CHO. Now this is the reagent. Now again one more mole of KOH will act here. What is the function of OH minus here? Now it will act as a nucleophile. क्योंकि अब यहाँ पे कोई भी एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन नहीं बचा, तो अब ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल की तरह बिहेव करेगा. ये अटैक करेगा यहाँ पर, और ये बॉन्ड पेयर्स जाएंगे ऑक्सीजन पर. तो ये बनेगा CI3COHHO minus. Clear? In the next step, this lone pair will return back to its position, and this CI3 group, it is a good living group. Why? Because it is stabilized by 3 iodine atoms. यहाँ पे 3 iodine atoms present है. अगर उस पर negative charge होता है, this is highly stabilized because this is electron withdrawing group. तो ये stabilize हो जाएगा. So it is a good living group. It will leave from here in the form of CI3 minus plus C double bond O H OH. Clear? Now this will abstract the hydrogen from here, और ये बनेगा CHI3 plus HCO O minus. Clear? So you will get this product. Now see how many moles of KOH are used in this reaction. This is 1 KOH. This is second mole, third mole, and 4 mole. So 4 mole of KOH are used here. How many iodine are used in this reaction? This is 1 iodine, I2, second and third iodine. Where is third iodine? Okay, here OH attack has taking place. पहले यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होगा, उसके बाद I2 का अटैक होगा. Clear? I have left this step here. यहाँ से पहले OH माइनस से ये हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होगा, उसके बाद I का अटैक होगा, I2 का, और ये बनेगा प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है. सो देर इज I2 प्रेजेंट हियर. सो 3 मोल्स ऑफ I2. So 4 moles of base and 3 moles of halogen are used in this reaction. Another thing you must know, एक बार जब सब्सटीट्यूशन हो गया, यहाँ से I आ गया, तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है. ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप माइनस I इफेक्ट है इसका, तो ये जो है इसका जो एसिडिक नेचर है हाइड्रोजन को और ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. तो एसिडिक नेचर इज इंक्रीजिंग इन एवरी स्टेप. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, एसिडिक नेचर इंक्रीज हो गया इस हाइड्रोजन का. Why? Because the number of electron withdrawing groups are increasing on this carbon. तो ये ज़्यादा स्टेबलाइज होता जाएगा एंड दिस रिएक्शन विल प्रोसीड फास्टली. Now let us do this question. Which of the following will give haloform test? Now you have to identify two functional group. या तो COCH3 ग्रुप होना चाहिए उसमें, या CHOH CH3 ग्रुप होना चाहिए. अगर ये दोनों में से कोई भी ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है वो ये आइडोफॉर्म टेस्ट देगा. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट वन, check CH3CO group is present, it will give the iodoform test. CH3CO group, it will give the iodoform test. CH3CHOH, it is butane to all, it will give iodoform test. CH3CO group is present here but there is a nitro group present here. अगर कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है तो ये वाला ज़्यादा एसिडिक होगा, इट विल बी मोर एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन, तो हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से निकलेगा, इससे नहीं निकलेगा. क्लियर. अगर एक कंपाउंड में यहाँ से क्या रिएक्शन हो रही थी, यहाँ से एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो रहा था, पर अगर और कोई हाइड्रोजन एसिडिक है तो वो रिमूव होगा इसके प्रेफरेंस में. सो ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप, दिस इज एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन, सो इट विल नॉट गिव द आइडोफॉर्म टेस्ट. ठीक है, ये नहीं देगा. यहाँ पे क्या है, CH3, दिस विल नॉट गिव बिकॉज देर इज नो CH3CO ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है. There is a CH3CO group, it will give the iodoform test. This will give the iodoform test. ये क्या है, सॉरी यहाँ पे है ये कंपाउंड. ठीक है, दिस इज द कंपाउंड. सो CO CH2 CO मेथिलीन ग्रुप, एक्टिव मेथिलीन ग्रुप, तो इट विल गिव द टेस्ट. CH2I, नाउ जस्ट आई हैव टोल्ड यू द मैकेनिज्म, उसमें एक इंटरमीडिएट स्टेप में ये बनता है CH2I. तो अगर CH3CHO की रिएक्शन तुम एक बार KOH से कराओगे और फिर उसे I2 के साथ ट्रीट करोगे तो ये प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, ये फर्दर रिएक्ट करेगा. सो इट इज़ द इंटरमीडिएट ऑफ द रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म. दैट्स व्हाई द मैकेनिज्म आर इम्पॉर्टेंट इन एवरी रिएक्शन. अगेन दिस इज ऑल्सो द इंटरमीडिएट ऑफ द रिएक्शन. CI3 बना था, उसके बाद OH अटैक करेगा और ये निकल जाएगा. एंड दिस हाइड्रोजन इज मोर एसिडिक, so it will be removed by basic OH minus, not this hydrogen, so it will not undergo the reaction. So although there is a CH3CO group present here, you have to remember, but there is more acidic hydrogen present somewhere else. यहाँ पे भी एक ये ज़्यादा acidic hydrogen था, तो ये दोनों ये reaction नहीं देंगे. If you are given this compound CH3CO CH2CN, again this CN is electron withdrawing, this is more acidic hydrogen, it will not give the test. So you have to remember all the compounds which contain the CH3CO group do not give this test. This is an essential condition. You have to look whether there is more acidic hydrogen present or not. तो अगर उससे ज़्यादा acidic hydrogen कहीं और present है तो haloform test नहीं होगा. Another thing, in the exam what is asked, you are asked to distinguish between the group of compounds like acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde. You have to identify, you have to distinguish between them. So how will you distinguish? Acetaldehyde will give the iodoform test, means you will write like this, I2 plus NaOH, it will give a yellow precipitate of iodoform. But on treating it with I2 plus NaOH, benzaldehyde will not give this test. In this way you have to write. Another, if you are given acetone and pentane 3-one, तो एसीटोन ये टेस्ट देगा, पेंटेन 3-one नहीं देगा क्योंकि उसमें ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप CH3CO ग्रुप प्रेजेंट नहीं है. ठीक है. अनदर थिंग, इफ यू आर गिवन एसिटोफिनॉन एंड बेंजोफिनॉन, acetophenone and benzophenone, can you distinguish it by, see, acetophenone is benzene ring CO CH3, benzophenone is benzene ring CO और एक फिनाइल रिंग और है. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी CH3CO ग्रुप प्रेजेंट नहीं है, इसमें CH3CO ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है, तो ये टेस्ट देगा, ये टेस्ट नहीं देगा. क्लियर. सो in this way, if you are given two aldehydes or two ketones and you are asked to distinguish between them, then generally we use this compound. Suppose you have to distinguish between methanol and ethanol, which of them will give the iodoform test? Ethanol, because it is CH3 CHOH, क्लियर, CH3 CH2OH है, तो यहाँ पे ये ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है, CH3 CHOH ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट हियर, इट विल गिव द आइडोफॉर्म टेस्ट, दिस विल नॉट गिव द आइडोफॉर्म टेस्ट. सो अगर दो सिमिलर कंपाउंड्स है, मतलब फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम है और उनमें डिस्टिंग्विश करने के लिए आया है, तो जनरली हम हेलोफॉर्म टेस्ट यूज करके उसे डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते हैं. सो आई होप द कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर. You must generally haloform test is asked to distinguish the compound, तो distinguish करने में generally use करते हैं, and this test is very useful for distinguishing between two similar type of carbonyl compounds or ethanol with other alcohols, means methanol, or if you are given propanol, you can distinguish between them by using haloform test. So that's all in this video. I hope you like the video. Please do share, subscribe it. Thank you.